Jain student, today we are going to discuss the important question in money and banking chapter. The first question, how do commercial bank create a deposit? Deposit credit creation is an important function of the commercial bank. Following highlight how it happened. First, bank receive cash deposit from the people. Second, bank lend many times more than their cash reserve. Third, lending is done not in the cash but by the way of opening demand deposit in favor of the borrower. Thus, cash reserve of the bank are only a small percentage of their demand deposit. This is possible because the bank, by the way of historical experience, note that only the small percentage of deposit is withdrawn as a cash during the period of time. Bank enjoy confidence of the people that their money is safe with the bank. Example, if cash reserve of commercial bank are rupees 10,000, the then demand deposit total liability of commercial bank withdrawn toward the people are 10,000. Then the commercial bank have to convert 10,000 into 1 lakh. Imply that supply of money through the deposit and credit creation amount to be a rupees 1 lakh even when the cash reserve of bank are only 10,000. Credit multiplier 1 lakh upon 10,000 is equal to 10. In case cries of confidence when the people start making blank withdrawal on from the bank, the central bank play its role as a lender of last resort. Seen it is that the bank are not possessed in liquidity crisis. Sixth, cash reserve of commercial bank are governed by the central bank through CRR, which is legally determined ratio of cash reserve to the total demand deposit of the commercial bank. These cash reserve are also to be kept by the commercial bank with the central bank. Beyond these legal required cash reserve, our commercial bank tend to keep some reserve with themselves. These are called the chest cash. Next question, state the component of money supply. The component of money supply are first currency held by the public, second demand deposit of the public with the commercial bank, third other deposit demand deposit with RBI domestic and foreign institution other than that of government of country and commercial bank within a country. Next question, explain the lender of last resort function of the central bank. The answer for this question is, as a lender of last resort, the central bank stands as a guarantor to the commercial bank during the financial emergency. Commercial bank may lose confidence of the depositor, promoting them to withdraw their deposit en masse. Since cash reserve is a commercial bank only the fractions of its demand deposit, its reserve may run out, pushing the bank into financial crisis. It is the central bank during such time that stand by the commercial bank as a guarantor and save it from the insolvency. Next question, how does central bank control credit creation by commercial bank through the open market operation? According to the market operation, the referred to sale and purchase of government security in the open market by the central bank of the country. By selling the security, the central bank withdraw cash balance from the system, and by buying the security, the central bank inject the cash balance into the system. To control the credit creation by the commercial bank, cash reserve need to be reduced for the reducing cash reserve security and sold off by the central bank. Sale of the security, such purchasing power from the money markets when the liquidity is sucked as a duration of inflation. Cash reserve of the commercial bank are seized. Implies a cut in their credit creation capacity because any change in the cash reserve bank cause a multiple change in the supply of the money in the economy.